In this video I will explain the features for managing employee availability in the labour scheduling template for Microsoft Excel. The functions we're going to explore are the same in both the Planners version and the Retailers version. For this demonstration I will be using the Retailers version. If you are using the Planners version, the only difference that you will notice is that the Sales group on the far left hand side of the ribbon is absent. I'm currently looking at the Assignments sheet, which is available in the Staffing Assignments group of the ribbon by selecting the Assignments button. When entering an assignment for an employee, we do so by going to the row that represents that employee and the day on which we want to make an assignment. A drop-down box appears which lists the start times, and if you are in the adjacent field, the end times for possible assignment. These times are determined initially by the operating hours of your business. So, for example, if your business is closed on Sunday and you try to make an assignment on Sunday, you will find that the individual cannot be assigned. In many cases, employees have specific requirements for their scheduling, and it is important that we respect these when building a schedule. To record these requirements, we proceed to the Availability sheet, which can be accessed from the Availability button in the Staffing Assignments group on the ribbon. The Availability sheet looks very similar to the Assignments sheet. We have a list of employees down the left with their roles, and we can sort these by name or by role. You can see that most of the sheet is blank. This indicates that none of our employees have any particular limitations on when they can be assigned to work. If we want to limit Barry Kirby to certain hours on Monday, we can either say he is unavailable on Monday completely, or we can say that he is only available from, say, 9 AM to noon. Having made this entry, we will be limited in the assignments we can make on the assignment sheet. If we return to that sheet and want to make an assignment for Barry Kirby on Monday, we will see that the hours of his assignment are limited by the availability that we set up on the availability sheet. Let's consider another situation. Here we have Stanley Barton. He has already been assigned to work from 9 AM until 6 PM on Monday. Let's take a look at what happens if we change his availability now. Returning to the availability sheet, we look at Stanley Barton's schedule and we say that he is only available from, let's say, 1 PM until 3 PM. When we return to the assignments sheet, this is highlighted and it's been noted that the employee is not available at this time. You can then correct this either by changing the assignment or changing his availability, whichever may be appropriate. This completes the review of availability management for employees in the labour scheduling template for Microsoft Excel.